back to another video. You're watching Phones on Touch here with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about a variant which was back then 2014 release, that is Samsung Galaxy S5 out here. Yes, Samsung Galaxy S5 was quite a different version out there. And when we talk about S5, we cannot forget to compare it with S4 because these were the variants which were released one after the other out there. And when we talk about this variant S5 and S4, both the variants offer in big differences. Yes, they offer a vast difference out here, as well as they offer you some different kind of functionality. Talking about this variant, talking about S5, this was not a much popular variant. Yes, this did not go well as compared to S4. जितना S4 popular हुआ था उतना S5 popular नहीं हो पाया था. Now, talking about this variant, we can say that S5 was a version which was a heavy weighted phone. Yes, as compared to S4, mostly things will be compared to S4. S4 out here. So when we say about comparison, then the weight of S5 is more than 145 grams. Yes, it is weighing more than 145 grams. This was the thing which didn't go well with the audience, as well as the thing remain the constants out there. It has Gorilla Glass front protection out there, Gorilla Glass 3 protection out there, which we have seen in S4 also. That was a plus point to this variant. But when we talk about this variant, we can say plastic framework and plastic body was there. Despite having these two specifications, it still weighs more. So that was the thing which didn't go well with the audience. As well as when we talk about this variant, it has got IP67 water resistance. Now wondering why water resistance is mentioned out, it is because it gives you a resistance to water and dust for like 1 to 30 minutes resistance. But it was not seen in S4. S4 resistance capacity was very weak out there, but S5 had a good resistance, but still didn't go well with the audience. Talking about S5 out there, we can say that S5 offers you a same screen type which we see in S4. Yes, Super Almond capital touch screen was seen out here, as well as when we talk about S5, we can say the screen size is 5.1. Yes, 5.1 is the screen size, whereas S4 had a screen size of 5 inches only. So overall, we can say that this variant had got a bigger screen size. Yes, we can say that. As well as the resolution capacity was reduced. Increasing the size and weight didn't do well with the resolution. We can say that because reducing the resolution capacity didn't go well with the audience. You get to see 432 ppi density resolution. 432 ppi density resolution could be seen out here, and this didn't go well with the audience out there. Offering you a good expandable or upgradable Android is something which we really appreciate for S5. We can appreciate S5 for having a good expandable and upgradable Android, that is Android 6. Yes, it has got upgradable Android 6 inbuilt in it, as well as Snapdragon 801 processor maker was there, along with quad core processor. So these three internally function very well out there and gives a very good outcome to this variant. Yes, you get very good outcome to this variant, but this could not be neglected that this variant was one of the variant which runs slightly low with the audience. Yes, audience didn't like it much due to a lot of reasons. The main reason was about the you can say non-changeable weight. You can say that the weight changed out here. Yes, the weight out there was quite heavy. The screen size might increase, but was not that much increased. Same resolution was reduced out there. As well as you get to see a lot of disadvantages which we compare to S4. Now talking about this variant, we can say another disadvantage to this variant and why the audience didn't like it was the non-variant of 64 GB. Yes, you did not go get 64 GB storage capacity variant. You only get 16 GB and 32 GB. These two variants are available along with 2 GB RAM. So this was also a major drawback to this. That's why audience didn't like much. We can see that this gadget expands very well with 64 GB. Expandability is given up to 64 GB. You can have an expandability up to 64 GB, but internally you will not find 64 GB variant out there. Otherwise, it has got really a good camera. 16 megapixel camera works very well with good exposure, good capturing capacity. You can say a very good LED flashlight was inbuilt in it. So everything overall 16 megapixel camera was very good. As well as when we talk about the camera, we can say 2 megapixel selfie camera was inbuilt in it, which was quite same as S4 out here. Yes, S4 has 2 megapixel selfie camera, and this could be seen out in this. Now, when we talk about this variant, other specifications remain the same. They are constant, like radio is not there. You will find connectivity, you will find sensitivities, you will find 3.5 jack, you will find loudspeakers out there, USB 2 type charging, Bluetooth 4 is there. So everything remained constant. But what didn't remain constant was the battery life. Battery life definitely has increased out. Now you get to have 2800 mAh battery, which lasts up to 21 hours talk time. Yes, you get to have 21 hours talk time, and this was the best part of this variant. Apart from all the specifications, this was the most important and the most uh, liked part of this variant. Otherwise, other specifications didn't go well with the audience, but this part goes very well with the audience. That offering 2800 mAh battery and 21 hours talk time offers very well out there. Now let us talk about a site also where this is available in a very profitable rate. This is the site I am talking about, and the site name is PhoneZone.ae. This site offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed brands, as well as it offers you the search icon to search your favorite gadget. You can search your favorite gadget out here, like I am typing S5. So we can type it out here. So this is the result we get at the end. And this is a description box offering all the specifications of this gadget. And at the top, you'll find a condition return refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition so that we know what is refurbished and refurbished products. So let us talk about refurbished. And when we say the word refurbished, it clearly means that creating newly like. Yes, the word refurbished means creating newly like. So we can say refurbished and brand new are quite similar. The only difference lies out in the pre-ownization. Yes, pre-ownization is something you would say that brand new have never been pre-owned before. Yes, when they are launched in the market, they are never been pre-owned. But when we talk about refurbished, we can say that they are pre-owned versions. Yes, they are pre-owned. You can have a pre-owned version, like you'll get to have a gadget which is used once and is absolutely newly like gadget. So this is what refurbished and brand new looks like. And when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can see that their pathway also differs. Yes, the pathway is slightly different, as a pathway includes something like base, mediator, and consumer. This is the basic pathway out there. This is how the chain goes out. And when we say about the chain, brand new has a different chain, like it goes from base to user or the consumer. The base here is the company, is the original company which launches that gadget into the market for the very first time. Suppose it's Samsung, so Samsung is the base. MI, so Xiaomi is the base out there. So every company out there is the base when it launches first time its gadget. Then it comes to the mediator or the bridge, which is the marketplace. Marketplace is something where we and the company interact out. Yes, we and company interact out as a user. We interact with the company's gadget. That is the marketplace, like from where we shop out there. After that comes the consumer, which is the final step, and that is the user out there. Then it is given to us. Then we have this. The gadget is in our hand. So that is the user point out here. Now the gadget has been used. This is the brand new gadget out there. Now this user is the one which becomes the base. Yes, this user becomes the base for refurbished product. Now talking about refurbished product base, we can say the user does not want to have this phone anymore now and wants to sell it off. Then the pre-owned version brand new phone is sold off to the mediators, that is the marketplace or the sites agencies, wherever you want to. That marketplace have that brand new phone, then it has to be checked, it has to be verified, it has to be certified that it is absolutely non-damaged, it is absolutely perfect condition phone out here. But then it is not conditioned at refurb brand new. It is not said that it is brand new because it has been pre-owned, so you cannot consider it as brand new. So it is said as refurbished, like brand new, like you can say, or you can say something new, like, yes. Then what happens? Then it is tested, it is categorized as refurbished. Then it goes to the consumers. From there, the consumer have it, the user have it. So this is the new user out there. Yes, this is the new user out there. So this is what happens in the refurbished and the, we can say, brand new pathway. But there is similarity out there. The similarity lies in the testing. Testing is said to be when the company tests out the gadget, then it is released in marketplace. But for pre-owned, marketplace is the point where the tests are done. And the tests include like external and internal tests, which includes the display testing, buttons testing, internal parts, external parts, the buttons, the camera quality, audio quality, video quality out there, your data connectivity, your data wiping, data recovery, SIM recognition, battery backup, charger out there, handset if it has any other kind of a handset out there. Everything, every part which a company says or tests out there has to be checked in the gadget in a refurbished condition also. So overall, there are 29 parameters which are involved in it. And when you get to have these 29 parameters, you get to see that this gadget is now absolutely ready to use and you can use this gadget now. Now, when we talk about this gadget, we can say that this gadget offers you n number of specifications, n number of things. It's not just one, but every condition, yes. It has to be tested then. Specifications which we read out on any site, they are to be tested. Everything has to be tested. If it fails in any one condition, it is rejected out there. So this is what refurbished is all about. It gives you a quality check, it is renewed, it has good service out there, as well as quality certification is given to it. So refurbished is absolutely perfect out there. As well as when we say about this variant, we can say there are a lot of things which are actually involved in refurbished advantages. Yes, we can say there are few advantages of having a refurbished product. Like, okay, first of refurbished product, then we can say that they are quite pocketable. Yes, they are quite pocketable out here. You get to have a pocketable gadget, as well as you get to have a gadget which is quite pocketable, or you can say which is in your pockets, because brand new products are generally expensive out there. Yes, they are generally expensive out there, but when you talk about refurbished, you get to see that these are quite pocketable and are quite less expensive as compared to brand new. Then you, if these products are quite pocketable, then can you save out? Yes, you definitely save a good amount of savings. When you save a good amount of savings, then you get to have a lot of savings, as well as you get to have a lot of products for yourself. You can expand that in other things also, so there is saving purpose also. But what happens when you own a pre-owned phone? You usually don't get a warranty period out here. Yes, usually we don't get a warranty period. But if you have a condition return or refurbished, then you get 6 months warranty period also. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty period also. As well as you get to have a 7 exchange policy along with it, which we can see on most of the sites. And when we talk about this, we can say that refurbished product offers a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy, which we see only if it is conditioned as refurbished. Brand new products have 1 year warranty out there. Yes, 1 year warranty is given out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant has got really amazing things in it. So let us get back to our site which offers you the same things, and let us once again check about that website. So coming back to the site, when we talk about the site, we can say that this site here offers you all the specifications which we were talking about. Yes, like we said about refurbished products, you get 6 months. 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy can also be seen in this. Like if you go to the website, you get to see that this website offers a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Along with that, COD and free shipping can also be seen. Yes, you get to see free shipping and COD out there. As well as when we talk about this website, we can say that free shipping is offered for about 48 hours delivery time. Yes, like delivery time is 48 hours in most parts of UAE. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. For best pricing, visit out the website or call our helpline number. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.